Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use NotebookLM content in Canva. Okay, so sometimes when you want to generate PowerPoint slides, you can export it usually in PDF using NotebookLM. Okay, so we're going to use Canva as another tool to be able to edit that kind of output from NotebookLM. So to start with, you have to come to notebooklm.google, and once you're here, you can go ahead and say try NotebookLM. So this is the first thing we need to do, and the next thing is to try to create a new project from the new here. So once you click on new, this is going to be discover sources, and we're going to come over here directly and type in the sources. So let's say the future of AI in university education system. We're going to leave everything on the web and fast research, and we're going to go on and click on send. So this might take a little bit of our time, and then it's going to come up. Okay, these are the sources. Fast research completed. We have all of this. Now we can import this, which is going to harness from the different sources. These are our sources, which is now going to create a quick summary of it into our archive. So this is a summary from our 10 sources. So all in it, you can ask follow-up questions. But for this, we are trying to create a slide out of this. So we're going to come over here to this new studio feature. So you can see slide deck over here. So if you click on this small pen icon, the editing tool is going to pop up with this. And like I said in my previous videos, there are two types of formats of slide deck. The first is the comprehensive deck, with full text and details, perfect for emailing or for reading on its own, or if you want to email the content. But for this, we're targeting presentation slide or presenter slide that could contain visuals, clean slides, that talking points to support you while you speak. So we have this, and then we can select the language over here. We can make it a bit short. If you want to keep it default, you're free. And then here you can describe the slide deck you want to create. So you can say major points, for example, on the content, and make it about 8 slides. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click on generate, and then we're going to see what this is going to generate. I've generated something very simple, but this, and click to have a preview of what we have just generated. And this is what I've generated. Very fantastic and nice, and you can see everything. Now you can open this up to play it as a slide, right, from one slide to another. And the best part of this is that when you try to export, this is going to give you an output in PDF. You can see it's in PDF. You can see as you download, you can open it, but it's going to be in PDF, which means you can edit the text, you can edit the elements, and so on. You cannot do anything here. Now that's where our Canva comes in. So now what we need to do is to come back to Canva. Now we can come all the way here to create, and we can go down to upload. All right, so upload file, and then we are here. We can upload our presentation. So let's just give some seconds to finish importing the document, and then let's see how we can edit every detail of the content. So as you can see, it has finished importing, so we can just go ahead and click. Now the beautiful part of Canva is that every detail of it is editable. Now this whole thing is converted into an element-based content. For example, let's start with the text editing. So we click, we can see that everything is now still in image form, but we can come to edit over here, and then you can look around. This is grab text. We can click on it, and then we can select the text that we want to grab and say grab this. So you can see right now the text is editable. You have the option to use any of these text editing feature on this particular text. As you can see, if you click inside, you can edit and add even content, and it maintains the same feature. So you can center everything, for example. You can center this, and we can select and optimize and bring it on. So that's the text. You can edit everything. You can change, you can edit the image as well. So let's select any section of the image and see what we can do with it. For example, when we select this slide, and we can come to edit, come to click, and we can select any section of the image. You can select this. If you want to select more, you can hold down the shift key. Right, you can select more than one. Right, but for now, for this tutorial, I just want to select only one of these. Just want to select only one, which is this one. Now I'm going to come down here and say magic grab, and then this is going to seclude only this, and you can see you can click and move it around to any section of your choice. So that's for the image. You can do it to any image of this. Another thing that you can do is that you can generate a video out of this. So you can select this, you can come back to edit, and then you can come all the way down here. You say image to video. So once you click this, we can just go ahead and click again, and they say generate 3 seconds video out of this, and we just give it some seconds and see what this is going to generate for us. Alright, so while we wait for the video to be created from here, another thing we can do is that we can change the background color of the slides. Okay, so let's say at this one, you can see the basic colors. You can select and you can change the coloration accordingly. You can move around and you can see it is changing the entire content directly. You can do that by just moving over here across, and you'll be able to see the change directly. You can do the same for the other one, and then you can play around with it as well to something much lighter, right? And you can see the variation. All right, you can do that across all the other slides. You can just select and edit the background coloration of the whole thing. Okay, so depending on your choice, you can see it is changing. So that's one of the beauties of using Canva. Another thing that you can do while you have imported all the slides is that you notice that there is this watermark of NotebookLM in all the slides. So there are 2 ways you can remove them. The first way is you can click over here and you can just move it out of the frame, and you have that removed. You're gonna have to do that across all the other slides. You can remove it like that, but of course you are tampering with the main slide design or slide size. But you can undo this, and there's another method which I use also to remove that, which is the brush tool. You can use the brush tool to just come down here and just clean it, and it's not going to be noticed again. So once you use the brush tool, and it's a magic eraser, this is going to erase that section, and you just have to do it across all the slides. And you can see it's been removed perfectly. You can go to the next slide after closing on this, go to the next slide, edit, brush, and then you can use this, just clean, and then you can come over to magic eraser, and you can see you've just done it. So you can close out and you can go to the next slide and do the same. Okay, while you're here, you can just come over to edit, brush, and you can come down here and just clean it, and then you can go down and see magic eraser, and it is done. All right, it is removed. Okay, so the last thing is the video section. Then select, come down to edit, go to image to video. Okay, so you can see custom, make a video out of this slide. Okay, so we can just go ahead and click on generate, and let's give it some seconds to see what this is going to generate for us. And as you can see, the video has been made. You can add to video to the design, or you can generate again if you don't want this. And I think I kind of like this, so you can just go ahead and add it to this design, and you can see this is going to be now our design. This is now going to be in video format. Okay, so basically you can play around with it. You can have another access to it and see what you can do. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial, and if you want to export this, you can as well export it in PPTX by coming to share and go to download, and then come to MP4. You can come all the way to PPTX, which you can see down here. You're going to export from page 1 to 8 and just say download, and all of this now going to be converted into a PowerPoint with the elements editable. This concludes this simple tutorial about the linkage between the NotebookLM content you've downloaded, the PowerPoint, then edited in Canva. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.